Tinamaan ako sa iyo.
Hanggang sa mga banat niya sa Senado.
Justice delayed is justice denied. Huwag na tayong magpa-epal dito dahil nawawala ng gana ang nanonood.
Inaabangan ng mga hirit ni Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago, lalo na sa mga pasaway.
Ang yayabang ng mga nagsasalita na ganyan.
Alam po, totoo po yun. Sapagkat nasasaktan na yung tainga ko.
Kung ayaw mo pakinggan, umalis ka sa korte.
Aalis na nga po sana ako eh.
Granted!
Kung quotable quotes lang din naman ang pag-uusapan, wala nang mas quotable pa kay Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago.
I request the Secretariat should record in our journal that I said, "Wah!"
Ngayong 2012, ano naman kaya ang masasabi ng Senadora sa mga isyong nagdaan sa ating bansa? Sa pag-angkin ng China sa Philippine Sea, sa RH Bill, sa isyu ng pangungopya ni Senator Soto, sa pag-iibigang Cheese at Heart, at higit sa lahat, sa pagsikat ng Gangnam Style. Ano kaya ang say ng Senadora?
That's right.
Huwag ka nang maging pasaway!
Mga kapuso, it's the night before Christmas. Ang kasama natin si Miriam, the Defensive Defender. Good evening! Ako naman, Miss Defender.
Evening.
Second time nyo nang dito?
Yes, truly. It is an honor for me to be here again at the second time. And it is, well, it's an honor because I am your honor. And since it's the second time with your honor, it's a second honor.
I noticed
A tremendous
nga, Miss
honor.
Defender, na hanggang ngayon, andyan pa kayo with your judge's robe. Talagang
Yes.
gusto nyo. You used to be a judge before you went into politics.
That is right. And I'm wearing this tonight to commemorate this entire year that has been quite a challenge to my balance.
Pero, Senator Defender, kung talagang gusto nyo ng judge, why did you turn down the Chief Justice's, what do you call it, parang
The position.
recommendation?
But please know that that is a local position. That is only going to keep me in the Philippines.
Excuse
Unlike the international legal arena, which is, kumbaga sa beauty queen, bakit ako magpapan-local beauty pageant kung pwede naman ako sa international beauty pageant? Although, mind you, though I lie, I welcome the relish of creating an analogy between this life and the life of a beauty queen. Huwag niyo akong lalagyan ng corona. Allergic ako sa salitang corona. That brings back very bad memories.
Oh, well, we'll talk about the impeachment later. Let's talk about the beauty queen muna. Kasi, you know, 20 years ago, ang inyong ambition in life daw was to be the Demi Moore of Philippine politics. Nagpalit na ba ang do you still think?
Well, definitely, though the legs have not changed, I still have the killer legs that match the killer smile with my killer personality and killer wit na bagay naman sa Senado. Kasi marami din daw mga killer doon. I think over time, and the media must know this, you are following me. You are following my dreams and aspirations. It has evolved from Demi Moore to Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga na ba
I am
kayo?
very good with the paparazzi.
Does
I
that-
deal with the interview with a poker face.
Does-
And I have a bad romance with so many people in the upper house. And alam nyo naman, Lady Gaga bagay na bagay sa akin because I am very ladylike.
Excuse me. So, is it because you're ladylike, hindi na kayo nagbabathing shoot?
Ayoko na, hindi na pwede yan. Kasi alam nyo, remember earlier this year in the impeachment trial, when somebody covered his ears at my toes, I think si Ginoong Aguirre, baka naman pag nagbathing shoot na ako, ito naman gagawin niya.
Yeah.
So, ayoko na. So, tapos na ako dito. Baka sawa na ako, baka maggano naman sila. Hindi na ako happy. Just
Yeah,
ayoko
well,
na.
since you brought up the impeachment, ano ang nangyayari sa impeachment? Ayun, kayo ni Neil Tupas. For example, kasi medyo, I saw you and you were talagang parang the wrath of God against Neil Tupas.
And I believe that we should all grow up and know how to move on. The past is past, including Tupas. Ang wish ko lang sa susunod, if we are again involved in something similar to the scenario of impeachment trial, it doesn't become that slow. I want it to be too fast.
Oo.
Because I get furious when it is not fast. That's why I am fast and furious. Kaya hindi pwede. Kaya si Neil Tupas, fast na yan.
Was that part of your Fast and Furious, yung sinabi nyo, wah! Wah! Tatlong beses yung sinabing, wah! Tuloy-tuloy sabi ni Senator Osmeña, paano ba spelling yung wa?
Well, it depends.
Ano yun?
It depends on the intensity.
Okay.
Why, according to the Urban Dictionary, is an expression of flabbergasm.
Okay.
It depends on the extent of being flabbergasted. It's capital W-A-A-H. Now, the more flabbergasted you are, you can add additional A.
A's.
Wow! You see, if it's an ordinary case of being surprised
Okay.
or, caught unaware, wah! But, if it's very, very, very surprised, you just add many, many A and then a big H at the end, capital H. Mind you,
Okay.
don't mind me. Wah!
Oh,
Yes.
kung sinabi niyong wa, at the time na you first introduced wa, ilang A ang kasama?
Ay, naku! Kulang ang 2 long bond paper. Oo, sobra. Because I was surprised. I was driven by that entire political exercise from the extremes of being bored beyond belief. Bored to the... gusto ko maglaslas. I was terminally bored to that extreme heights of cardiac palpitations because of the effect on my heart.
Can you repeat for mga kapuso yung inyong wa with plenty of A's?
Inuuto niyo ba ako dito? What is that ringing in the studio, huh? Are you trying to disrupt my interview in a provocative manner? Anyone who was contemplating, looking at me in a manner that is indubitably provocative shall be evicted from this studio for the rest of his pathetic life. Ang puso ko.
Excuse me, Senator Defender, your high blood pressure.
Oo, but I am in the Kapuso network. My puso is having...
It's also Christmas. So say we're going to talk about your high blood pressure later on because we really are very concerned about your health. So pag-uusapan natin yan mamaya mga kapuso. Huwag kayong aalis dyan at kasama natin si Miriam Defender. Defensive. Ano yun?
Diyan lang kayo. William, the defensive defender. It is quite interchangeable.
Okay. Tayo, mga kapuso, Christmas Eve. Okay, talking about wa. Every time you say wa, natatakot ako, Miss Miriam, because of your blood pressure. Kamusta na ba ang blood pressure?
Well, I have been warned also to be a little more cognizant of all of the impact of all of this stress on my heart. Kaya meron na rin akong mas aware na ako that I should take care of my blood pressure. Talagang mong tumaas. Sino ba naman ang hindi tataas ang blood pressure dyan sa impeachment of the century na yan? The trial of the century that was trying my patience because it took a century. But now, lower na ngayon. Low blood ako ngayon.
Tapos na yung may, ang dami-dami niyong pinasukan ng mga arguments since then.
That's
For
right.
example, the RH bill. Ngayon, nagkaroon ng calamity. Meron nagsasabi that is the wrath of God. And you have a master's in theology.
Not only
Miss
that, I
Miriam?
have a BS in political science, an AB in psychology, a PhD in psychiatry, an LLB in law, and a GUN in my BAG. That's why I will tell you, I will expose you to the wrath of Miriam! Ano ba naman nai-equate na lang sa mga tinanggal na puno? The fallen trees that cause the flooding? Kung ano ba i-equate ninyo na pinagkagalingan ng mga baha-baha na yan? I-equate yung gumawa kayo ng programa ng tree planting along with family planning. Ayun, puno lang naman ang problema niya. Actually, puno, yan. Source ng problema ko talaga. Puno na yan. I hate the puno!
I mean, what does Puno have to do with you?
I don't know. I'm just surrounded by puno here. Puno na ako ng isip. Alam nyo, I have started to have lower blood pressure now.
Oh, really?
Lower na ang blood pressure ko.
Bakit,
Kasi
Christmas?
na blood donation ako eh. For charity, I went to the Red Cross and donated my blood. You know what happened? They detected my blood type is very strange. Not just A, not just B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, all the way to Z. Because pinagli ako sa dictionary. That's why. In fact, they named the dictionary after me, Miriam. Miriam Dictionary.
Dictionary nga
Entire
naman.
school was named after me, Miriam College.
Your opponent dyan sa RH bill is si Senator Juan Ponce Enrile. Kamusta ang relationship niyo sa kanya? Kasi medyo matindi.
And a little complicated. As you
Okay,
very well
tell
know, he
me.
was invited to my list of friends who sponsored my renewal of vows, my wedding.
May sponsor
May
yata
sponsor.
siya. Ilan mga sponsor niyo ron?
Oh, madami. May major sponsors, minor sponsors, patron, donors, sponsors and friends for details. For DTI permit number 9970-21 series of 2012. Hey, chicks, what's your body? Because there's
Okay.
plenty for ruin your personality. tanggap ng pamit. Kung gusto niya akong i-wish ng will, because it was my wedding, hindi ba part ng maligayang marriage ang I happy, sex, and a fulfilling sex life? Bakit ko siya ipapatanggal yun doon sa mga provisions?
Si Senator, bakit ano
This expression, a happy and a fulfilling
sex life?
sex satisfying sex life. Eh, paano naman hindi magiging part yun ng marriage? Hindi ba?
Oh.
Eh, sabi niya, I thought maligaya siya para sa akin. In fact, sinabi niya sa akin yan, gusto ko, happy ka.
Oh.
Ayun. Magiging happy, hindi fulfilling, satisfying ang sex life.
Oh.
Ay, naku talaga, hindi ko
Gusto niyang alisin yun.
Oh, it puzzles. It is a puzzlement to this day.
Are you saying that, sinasabi niyo ba sa mga kapuso that you have a very satisfying sex life?
Oh, definitely. My marriage is like the impeachment trial.
And are you-
Mahaba, matagal, pero ang iniba niyan hindi boring.
Are you saying that Senator Juan Ponce Enrile does not have a satisfying sex life?
That is a very good question,
Oh,
but
very
not
nice.
as good as the next question.
Oh,
Blooming siya.
aba, talaga.
Blooming. Ay, talaga. Tsaka, gwapo naman talaga siya.
Aba.
Especially 88 years ago.
Okay, doon sa Scarborough Shoal, di ba, naggalit si Senator Ponce Enrile kay Trillanes. Naku, ano ang position niyo dyan?
My position is that I continue these games, these different games, but not war games, but Filipino-Chinese games like Chinese garter, Chinese jackstone, pikwa, mahjong, pusoy, etc., etc. Hindi lang yan. Why not? Once and for all, ipamigay na lang natin yung island na yun. We have 7,107. Mabawasan niya ng isa. Tapalan lang natin ng isa. I already have a replacement to Scarborough Island.
Ano
or
ang
our
replacement
island.
niyo?
Plus Island. Magmumura ka ba sana? Plus Island! Why not?
Kayo, wala kayong political dynasty. Meron yata. Do you have a political dynasty? Di ba your son became parang ano yun, yung
I'd
party
like
list
to-
for agrarian reform?
I'd like to clarify so many Santiagos that they are linking to me. I'm not related to Randy Santiago, to Raymart Santiago, Claudine Barreto Santiago, the other Santiagos. But you know what? Political dynasties, I have yet to figure out that it's really such a bad idea because it's very good for recycling. Yung mga tarpaulin sa eleksyon, papalitan na lang nila yung first name, pwede na ulitin ulit kung yung anak ang gagamit. Hindi ba? Yung mga ibang tarpaulin, lalagyan lang ng junior, yung anak ang gagamit.
Tama kayo, sinabi nga nila it's really economies of scale.
That is
Yung
true.
mga dynasty kasi the same,
They recycle the tarpaulin. In fact, they recycle the promise kasi hindi man na-fulfill yung ibang promise, na-fulfill na lang ng anak.
Okay, ngayon naman is, dyan sa RH bill, I forgot to ask you, kasi si Senator Tito Soto was accused of plagiarism. Ano ang inyong stand dyan about...
Yung pangungopya, tigilan na yan. Those people taking advantage by copying people. Halimbawa, copying the way they look, what they...
Excuse
Hindi,
me.
maganda naman yun. Maganda hanap buhay yun. Maraming kumikita dyan. No, but was it not John Burke who said that you steal someone's property one time, it's plagiarism. It's still from two people, it's research. So he might have been just doing research, according to John Burke's definition.
Okay, last question for this segment.
Ay, gusto ko pa madami pa.
Hindi pa.
Basta
Babalik tayo
ba?
kasi sa
Babalik.
personal.
Okay, sorry.
Ito muna hot issue.
Hot issue.
Well, this may not be so hot anymore, pero we still, alam nyo naman, we love to have your opinion.
It's a Claudine
Everything.
issue with the Tolpo brothers.
Yes.
Sabi nila, sa pamilya, mahalaga yan. The family that fights together gets suspended together.
Yes.
Pero ba dyan dinaan sa magandang
Kung ikaw
usapan
si-
eh?
Hindi. You know, you were there. Supposing you were Claudine rather than Miriam Defender, nakita andun kayo sa airport, you know, you were scolding whoever it was. Oh,
I
ano
would have-
gagawin mo kay Tulfo?
Well, being a very verbose,
Oh.
articulate woman who knows exactly how to put her into words, her position, mga pananalita na lang. Sa magandang usapan ko dadaanan ng mga bagay-bagay. Lalapit ako sa kanya, sabi ko, what, I'm a liar? I'm a liar, 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 I'm a liar. You see?
Mga kapuso, alam natin na pala, si Senator Miriam can be very charitable. Mas gift ng bawal ng pasaway sa inyo is, of course, Miriam, the defender, defensive, the defensive defender.
Hello,
And,
Ate.
syempre nga, tama na yung hot issues, kailangan yung kanyang personal life. Senator Miriam, kayo po, ay kayo daw ang naging Cupid ni Heart Evangelista at ni Cheese. Talaga ba yun?
I told you, I know everything. Even the subtle allures of romance and love. I took my bow and arrow, I took it up in the air, but originally, I was aiming for Pinoy.
Ken?
Ay, ang daming security. Pag gano'n ang araw, lumipat kay Chase. Kaya doon na siya kay Hart. Sayang.
Pinoy pala yung original araw
Tingnan mo naman, halfway through the term na, mag-ex-president na siya in 2016, ang dumami lang yung ex. Si Les, si Shalani. Wala pang first lady.
Oo.
I'm so ebullient because I am very happily in love. I want everybody to be in love.
What is the age difference between Cheese and Hart?
I think 400 years.
400 years. Baka. Underestimate yan. Okay, but talaga bang your own married life, yabang-yabang nyo sa own married life, talagang
Well, I have to admit.
as good as you say it is?
I have to admit, kanina umaga, sabi ko, mamalengke ka.
Kino?
Kay Darling,
Oo.
inabot ako ng mura.
Darling
Murang kamatis, murang lechugas, murang baboy, murang manok. Paglabas niya, maglalaba tayo niya, hiwalay ko, hiwalay! Ayaw niya kasi, bring up yung issue ng labada, hiwalay ko, hiwalay! Oh, hiwalay ang puti sa decolor. Alam mo yan! Expert ka, you were endorsing a laundry detergent a long time ago.
You will not exchange him for anything.
Ay, no. Hindi pwede. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, quiet existence. If you are quiet, you can exist.
Really? Okay. So ngayon, ano ang message nyo? For example, kay Juan Manuel Marquez.
Well, I think isa ka lang sa kunting nakapag-knockout kay Manny in the boxing ring. Sorry, pero sa political arena, Manny will still knock all of them out. Manny, move on to our arena, the political arena. As a congressman, wala pa rin tatalo sa iyo. Excuse me.
Oh, okay, here is Manny Pacquiao. Anong message nyo?
Ay, naku, marami nakapansin. A little later in the fight, parang nag-iba na yung moves niya. Parang yung focus niya nagbago. Parang parang it's closer to dancing. Baka sa nanay na siya nagpapatraining recently. Kay nanay Juning, ang titraining sa kanya sa ballroom dance, yung mga moves niya nagbago.
Yeah, pero sabi ng nanay niya kaya siya natalo because hindi na daw siya Katoliko. Anong say niyo dyan?
I think deep in her heart though, as in the hearts of all Filipinos, hero pa rin natin siya.
Okay.
That's right.
Anong sabi niyo dyan kay Serafin Cuevas?
Well, I told you. Time and again. Time and again. This election was was full of cinematic characters and very dramatic personalities. I will wish him, may your days be merry and white, and may your coat and tie be all white. But
Well,
you
it
are
is white.
very bright.
Okay. Ngayon naman, excuse me. Ano ang say mo dyan, Christmas message?
Mapunta na sa'yo lahat, wag lang ang mga pasaway. Kasi sa'yo, ang mga pasaway, bawal. Seriously, to you and your family, may you have an even more incredible 2013. You are a joy and a treasure to the future economists of this country. In other words, no comment.
Okay, thank you very much. And now, I don't know whether this is the best for the last, pero ano naman ang Christmas message mo dyan?
Hintayin mo ako, kumukulo na yung arroz caldo doon sa stove natin, ilalabas ko na, paki-take out mo lang, ipakilagay mo na sa sangkalan yung queso de bola, paki-slice mo ha, pantay na pantay ha, 1 and 1/4 millimeter per slice, half circle each. And then, ilabas mo na ang soft drink, maglabas ka na ng yelo, mabigyan ako, pauwi na ako dyan, dala ko ang hamon.
Kailangan naman may message kayo kay Pinoy. What is your message to Pinoy?
In the spirit of the holiday season, where it's time for merriment and sometimes even dancing comes to mind because alam mo, mag-ingat ka, balang araw, may mga advisors magpapayo na sa'yo, subukan ang cha-cha. Lahat ng sayaw, ma-experience mo dyan sa palasyo pag nakaluklok ka dyan, you'll be surrounded by the jerks. Sometimes in election, when election comes, you will be experiencing people who will benefit from the swing vote. And mag-ingat ka dahil because this ballad of politics, sometimes they will make your popularity dip. Pero sorry, sit aside lahat ng sayo na yan because it's 2012. It's another dance that took over the airwaves, the internet, all over, even the variety shows here in your network.
Ano?
Gangnam. Pero mas maganda yung para sa atin. Hindi Gangnam.
Ano?
Sinigangnam. Kasi tayo ay may asim pa.
Aba!
Thank you.
Okay.
Very easy ang Gangnam na yan eh. It's actually, you can even maintain your poise and elegance. You just know how to say, let's join us.
Aba.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't hold your back. Just teach, I'll teach you. Hands together.
Hands together.
Right, left, right, right. Right, left, right, right. Left, right, left, left. Ikot-ikot sa ibabaw ng ulo. Shake and close.
Ay, naku, again.
So that close naman tayo eh.
Okay,
Shake and close.
That was-
Sinigangnam na bagay na bagay
Mga
sa
kapuso,
atin.
That was sinigangnam.
Why?
Right, left,
Right, right. Left, right, left, left. And why is it sinigangnam? Ah, okay. Head.
And that is Senator Miriam Defender Defensive's last message.
Complete with legs.
Meron pa tayong asim. Merry Christmas.
Yes, and more power to you and your program. See you once again.
New Year.